Hey, how are you? I'm Barrington Page. I'm just here to introduce you to my new AI workshop builder, which is known as Instant Workshop AI. It gives you the ability to create a workshop in 2 clicks in any niche that you can think of. And though right now I've set it up to be marketing, but you can also use it in, let's see, we'll say garden. And hit submit. As you see, it's going to start building a workshop ideal, a workshop online, features and marketing hooks, a mind map with a visual mind map, recording outlines, promo emails, Facebook ads, welcome script, and also all the support materials you should use to market the workshop. As you see right now, you see that it created the Garden Growth Girl. It gave it a headline, outcome. It gave all the workshop content. It also gives them, it tells them what you would get and the bonuses that you should use when you create the workshop. Then it goes to when you get right here, it says next step. Of course, as you see, I can also right here, you can see I can just hit auto generate and it would complete all these tasks, which would take probably about 4 to 6 minutes, and you would have a complete done for you workshop. Now, as it's doing that, as you see that, I'm gonna, as you see now, it says outline. So now it's gonna go down and we'll click here, and you see the outline. Now, for this video's purposes, I'm going to skip out of this and go back to the dashboard. And I want to, let me see, I'm going to say Google AdWords Ads Fundamental. This is one that's already here. It's already here. It's already done. I want to take you to it that you see when it says the mind map. When you see the mind map, not only did it create a mind map of the workshop, it will give you a visual of the workshop in the outline. And as you see, if you were doing a presentation, you simply click. When you click, you can, as an educator, you understand when you click here, if you were talking about the workshop, you just click, and as you move throughout the workshop, then you click and reopen it. Another cool feature you can hear, but also what you let me go back to dashboard for a second just to show you. Go back here and view the workshop. You can export it as a doc, a Google Doc, a Word doc. You can export it as a HTML, which means you can put it right onto a website, or you export it as a PDF. So as you see, it gives you the ability to create a course or a workshop in about 5 minutes. I know it's AI driven, but what you do is it got about 90%, 95% what you need to do. You go through, add you to it, and download it, and you can start teaching that workshop today. When you come in, you get these already done workshops, and I'm giving you the ability to take it out. You can use it, sell it. We're going to call it a white label workshop. You have the ability, once you edit it and put you to it, put your branding on it, it's your workshop. So that's a quick overview of the Instant Workshop AI. If you have any questions, feel free to come to my Facebook group or find me on Facebook. I'm Barrington.page there. And I'll put some links at the bottom of this. Thank you for your time.